Today, I'll show you how to build a chicken farm in LEGO Fortnite so you'll always have a steady supply of eggs and food. So, chicken farming is pretty much having chickens live at your house or in your town or your village and giving them a place to stay so you can pet them whenever you want and grab eggs from them. First, what you're going to need is a barn. You can unlock this when you reach village level 2. You can go to your build menu and you can create a barn from 10 planks. Next, you would want to find animals that you can assign to your barn. Here we have one chicken. We called him Crusher. To get animals to join your barn, you need to go to your grill and create animal treats. At first, you can only create animal treats that are uncommon from 15 vines. Later on, you can create tasty animal treats using 5 vines and 3 fruits. So what do animal treats do? Basically, you feed these to animals in the wild, and that will give them the ability to follow you. And you basically lead them back to your village and into your barn, and once they're close enough, you can assign them to your barn. Let's give this a shot. So I have with me 2 animal treats and 6 tasty animal treats. Basically, the difference in rarity is that the rarer the animal treat, the longer the animal will follow you before looking for another treat. Let's give this a shot. Here we see chickens in the wild. Let's give these chickens a treat so they'll start following us. Yeah. Let's just focus on this one chicken for now. As you can see, for as long as that heart is still popping up, that chicken will continue to follow you. Once you have led your chicken close enough to your barn, select following chicken and press assign. Let's give him a randomized name. Or now, her a randomized name. And with that, Diva now lives at your barn. Select any fruit to feed them, and they will now live on your village as long as you continue feeding them. Your assigned animals will sleep at night, so let's check in on them in the morning. It's now the morning and our chickens are still here. Let's check on them. We have an egg from Crusher, and that's Pet Diva. And we have another egg from Diva. And there you have it. That's how you have a chicken farm on your village. So like and follow for more LEGO Fortnite tips.